Hello guys, we have Shinedown. So Shinedown is another classic hard rock, heavy metal. It's basically, they make, so basically Shinedown that sometimes make hard rock and sometimes make heavy metal. But this is I believe the number one album. So this one was on sale. So this is Shinedown. This is The Sound of Madness, which I think is the number one album too. And we have the first song, Devour, Sound of Madness, Second Chance, Cry for Help. They're going to Butterfly, If Only You Knew, Sin of a Grin, What the Same, Cyanide, Street to Suicide, Break It Inside and Call Me. Of course, these songs are, of course, absolute classics. All of them. I actually haven't heard some of these other songs because I only listen to the songs on, streaming. So I haven't listened to the whole album yet. But I won't be surprised if all these songs are good. But yeah, we have Shinedown. We have the Crows. This is such. I'm surprised this isn't considered one of the greatest album covers of all time. Again, those lists are mostly biased towards older music, but this and the Black Parade should be in the top at least 10. These are two. This is one of my favorite album covers. I like the picture of the Crows. It's very ominous. It's very it's a very great album cover. They don't make album covers like this anymore. So that's mostly let's look at the top album, consider the best album cover of the year. It's really just a picture of the word brat put into with some font. That's not real album covers. This is real album covers. This is real album covers. Okay, not brat. Okay, I don't probably get one dislike dust for that because there are people who do unfortunately like Charlie XCX. Much like some people who unfortunately like Billie Eilish. So. Isn't like the other one. We have to do it. That was a piece of chip. Yeah, I ate chips 20 minutes ago, so. Now it's time to open The Sound of Madness. Okay, we got it open. That took longer than expected. We also have We Can't Kill with Kindness, I Don't Buy It. And we have the Pixie Hero says Atlantic, Shinedown, Sound of Madness. And there we go. It's the enhanced CD, and there's also a picture underneath here, I think. It's all of the band members, so yes. There you go. The Sound of Madness. Truly, the deafening sound of madness. Goodbye.